This video is just going to be a quick refresher of how to use your graphing calculator to help get points for your tables when graphing a rational function. First, go to your y equals, make sure everything's cleared out. A couple ways you can type in your rational function. I'm going to do the function x minus 2 over x plus 3. You can either do x minus 2 divided by x plus 3, making sure to use parentheses. Or if you want to avoid having to use the parentheses, you can do alpha y equals, if you have that option, and then put in x minus 2 over x plus 3, and you don't need parentheses for this. So either of those options are good. Don't put both in, pick which one you're going to use. I'm actually going to unselect one of these so that only one shows up in the table. Once you have this in here, if you hit second graph, what you're going to be looking for is your error message. Let's just say it's not on your screen, some ways to find it. Take a look at your decimals. When you start to maybe see some whole numbers, don't go too far. Again, don't go beyond -10 and +10. So if you go one direction and you don't find the error message, try going the other. Get that error message right in the middle of your screen. Now remember, if you put in your simplified function, the whole may show up in here as a point. So make sure that you already have that listed out and plotted on your graph as an open circle. This is not something you're going to write in your table, but we're going to put 4 values in. So the first two here, -5, 3.5, -4, 6, and then the next two after the error message, -2, -4, and -1, -1.5. So this is actually showing you where your vertical asymptote is occurring. That's a good way to also check that. And that's it. So that's what you're doing for getting your table. Plug it in your y equals, search out that error message.